does it, boys.
You okay?
Sure, Roy. Well. Well, that's another picture in the bag. When are you leaving?
Right away. I'm making my 10th anniversary broadcast from the ranch.
Roy, you can be mighty proud of your 10 years in pictures. You've made millions of friends all over the world.
Hey, Roy, sing Dust, that song you sang in your first picture. You know, we haven't heard that in a long time. Okay, Joe, I'll remember.
Well, good luck and have a nice trip. We'll all be listening to your broadcast, Roy.
Thanks, Paul.
You bet.
Take her easy, boys. We'll see you. So long, Roy.
So long, Roy.